Okay, guys, I am in Best Western Sundial in Scottsdale, Arizona. And this is what it is when I walk into the room. I'm on the ground floor. I don't mind because next door to the hotel is a police station, police parking lot. So I doubt very much if anyone will hurt me. And if they do, they'll be hurt very quickly. So this is the bathroom, pretty big, handicap shower, no less. That's different. Because this is more like for people who have a wheelchair. So I'm not really used to this. This is something I'm gonna have to acclimate to. Yes. But it is what it is. I'm only here for a few days, so I'm not really trying to make any major changes since I am, oh, let me lock the door a little bit better. Since I am not, staying here longer. So now this is the closet. Ironing board with the safe. Good amount of hangers. Okay. Now, so here we have the coffee maker and I guess the ice bucket, yeah. Now I see the refrigerator, right? But I don't see a microwave. And that, yeah, I'm gonna have to go back out and find out about that. A lot of times though, if you just ask for a microwave, they'll give you one. So here's the desk and the flat screen TV. There is another full-length mirror right in front of the bed, as you can see. Here is like a desk chair. I don't really care for mirrors in front of the bed. I don't really care to see myself sleeping. All right, so what does the view look like? Can I even? Nah, just that little parking sign there, I don't know if you can see, is for the police. So I'm gonna keep it closed. It's really desolate and desert-like. The mall is straight down the road, like at the stoplight there pretty much. And they say that there's more stores there. So, and then across the street where the mirror is, that's where the entertainment was. So now, darn, they have so many mirrors in this place. Okay, so you have, let me see something. Normally they wouldn't have drawers. They wouldn't have the microwave, but just checking. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely have to ask them because I went to a little hole in the wall place. Cheap, efficient, was pretty good. Honestly, Julio's too. $12 a big plate of food. Like, you can't finish it. Anyway, so now this is the whirlpool. And they do have a pool outside, but I said since I was getting a room like this, I don't need, I'm not going to need a, I'm not going to need to be bathing in the sun. Plus, it's like 97 degrees outside, and I'm just not having it. Let me turn my flash off. Okay. Less light, I know, but I think you guys can still get the gist of it. And then since I am here, let me see something. Oh, it's only flashing and off. All right. So I'm pretty plain. I wanted to see if there was a full length. No, none of the mirrors are full length. All right. So, here we go. I'm dressed pretty plainly. I have my shirt with pockets. I'm addicted to them when it comes to going to the airport because it's easy for me to put my ID and tickets in my pockets, whip it in, and then whip it out, and then put it back in, right? And then I have your basic jeans also has pockets. And then I have my slip-on. Ooh, showed you the dirty side of my shoes. Slip-on Skechers shoes. Slip in, slip out real quick. I'm not really dressing up for the airport anymore because it's not really convenient. Tell you the truth, just relaxed and simple. They don't even give you like better seats and stuff like that like they used to. You know, I could probably dress it up a little bit more, but 97 degrees, I'm not doing it. Oh, I have my mask on. 97 degrees is too hot for me. Okay, where I was in New York, it was 80, which was unseasonably warm for October, but it was pleasant. This, you can feel that heat coming on. Did I open this? This probably... Oh no, this is the bathroom. Excuse me. Yeah, so this is the place. I do like beds that have this, you know, that are padded headboards. I like that a lot, you know. So really the only disappointment was that that I see right now is that there's no microwave. But other than that, I'm good. Let's see what's in the refrigerator. Probably won't even use anything in here. No, it's empty. See? All right. That's it. Location-wise, it's pretty good. They say it can get noisy since the entertainment district is across the street. You can't see it out this window. It probably will get noisy since I'm right next to the police station. But other than that, I think I'll be okay. All right. Till next time.